The website I have created is all about Spanish conversation. So teaching beginning students how to have a conversation in Spanish. So as you can see, I have created a website that includes both Spanish and English. So there are paragraphs of Spanish followed by its English translation. And I have several pages up at the top to kind of teach students how to go through the website. The first one is the rules. Telling them to go through the pages one by one, starting at the rules and complete all the tasks, and the objective that it is meant to teach Spanish. I also have some additional resources at the bottom. I have included in most of my tabs a Google Doc that, once loaded, shows some vocabulary, and then a video at the bottom of me telling students how to pronounce the vocabulary. And that is for the hellos, for small talk, as well as for the weather. So all of those include a document that lists the vocabulary, as well as a video of me telling the students how to pronounce it. And in our final tab, we have where everything kind of comes together, and how the vocabulary can be used in conversation. So we do have some vocabulary that kind of didn't fit in, but that I realized was fillers towards the end, and then me teaching students how to pronounce those. And then a short conversation both in English and in Spanish, showing students how just a little bit of vocabulary and a little bit of memorization can help students formulate a conversation with minimal effort.